Okay guys, we are making spaghetti. The spaghetti noodles are on. Sometimes I make it with sausage meat. It all just depends. I'm actually going to be doing it separate. I usually always put the ingredients together, but I was like, you know what? We're going to do something different because we don't do it like that often. I'll be using ragu, and I'll also be putting some zucchini. This zucchini stuff right here, y'all. You see how I say in tomato sauce? When I say this is so good, this is so good. And imagine it not being good. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and add this to it. When I say this is good, it is good. I also like to use my Italian seasoning. I have my garlic rolls and garlic knots in the oven. So that's what we'll be having today. Quick and easy meal. And with your spaghetti noodles, just follow the back of the directions of whatever brand you get. It'll show you how to be able to cook them, okay? And make sure you're cooking them on low. And a tip that I like to do is if you got a wooden spoon, lay it right on top. That's going to stop from all the boiling and stuff. Don't know why how it happened, but it would not boil over. Do this for rice as well. Okay, guys, so again, I'm about to pour in my spaghetti sauce, and then I'm going to put the zucchini inside of here, okay? Go ahead and get this nice and stirred up, and then once you get it nice and stirred up, go ahead and add those zucchinis right on in. And guys, I am using the original ragu. Look how good that looks. It smells so good as well. Oh, I'm saying it's gonna be so nice right on top of those noodles. Sometimes you just want to kind of mix it up, especially if you do spaghetti. If you always put it together, do it separate. And now I'm about to add me some Italian seasoning in there as well. And as you're getting this sauce together, be gentle. Put it on a low heat because it pops. Then what you want to do is once you get everything inside there, put aluminum foil on top. Or if you got a lid, put the lid on top. Because again, it pops and you don't want to have sauce everywhere. Okay, now time to add the zucchini. Use a spoon and just add it that way. If you don't want to pour it in, first just add the spoon. You might be able to just use the sauce. It's all up to you, but I'm telling you, it tastes so good in there. Okay, guys, so we got it inside there and just stir it all up. If you are a type of person that like your spaghetti sauce sweet, because I know some people is, add a little bit of sugar to your sauce, and I'm telling you, it'll be so much better. Just a little bit of sugar. And I'm like, what in the world? Yes, added it. Everything has sugar in it, and if you add just a little more, it won't be so bitter. Taste it to make sure it's good, and if it's good to you, then you good. Okay, most definitely always taste it. I'm telling you, these chunks, what I'm gonna do, if I want to, I can cut them up, but they so tender when you put them in your mouth, they just melt. I'm telling you, try that inside of your spaghetti. You're gonna be like, oh my god. Okay. And yes, we use cans. We only have time to do 30-minute meals, and I'm showing you guys 30-minute meals. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe for more and follow as well. And if this meal helped you out, let me know. Again, we got the spaghetti over there. We're gonna put the spaghetti, the noodles on top, on the bottom, and then you just put as much sauce that you want on top of the noodles, and you eat your garlic knots. I'm telling you, it's so good. Okay, guys, so I have everything all stirred up. Now I'm gonna put my aluminum foil on top, only because remember I told you I don't have a lid to this. Put it on like low heat, let it simmer, let it get even better. Don't forget to put your Italian seasoning in there. And my noodles are getting done, and my lock knots are almost finished as well. Okay? Clean up as you go. Go ahead and get everything cleaned up now. All right, so I put the aluminum foil on top. Like I said, let it simmer maybe for about a good 5 minutes, however long you feel, because you know really everything is already done. You're just letting it simmer. Your noodles are done and your lock knots are done. And when everything get completely done, then you serve it. And I'm telling you, it's so easy. You know, sometimes we just have so much going on. It is nice just to have a home cooked meal. And home cooked meals do not have to take long, drawn out time. Yes, we used to do all this extra, but we don't got to do all that anymore. And I'm showing you that you don't have to. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the noodles, see what they taste like. Even though the alarm going off, always check your stuff to make sure everything is good. So I'm about to do that. Check this, see how this tastes, and if it tastes good, I'm gonna go ahead and get them strained. And I'm gonna leave some water. I want to put some more water back in these noodles, just a little bit, so they won't get sticky or nothing, since it's just gonna be noodles. Okay. Okay, guys, my lock knots are done. And I usually have parchment paper, but I'm actually out. So I just put paper towels right on top of those. Okay. Just make sure you're always covering your stuff. And I don't know if you hear, but remember I was telling you how the sauce pop, that's what it's doing now. That's why it's good to have a lid on it so you don't got to worry about it popping all over the place. Go ahead and give it a good stir. Turn it down a little bit as well, okay? Oh, that smells so good. Oh, it's so saucy, so meaty with zucchini in it. Okay, let's go ahead and get it stirred all up and put it on low. I put it on low now. Okay, guys, so I like to have my drainer. Just pour it right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it rinsed out. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water in here. So again, the noodles won't get dry. And I'm gonna get these rinsed off and I'll be right back. I like to rinse my noodles off. And then guys, I like to put a lid right on top of it. I'm out to my YouTube family that is always watching my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and put their information above. You'll see the different comments that they left me. Just want to tell you so much, and I truly appreciate all your support, and I see you. Thanks.